This quick tutorial, we will not focus on the content of your essay. Instead, we will look only at the structure of the document itself. First, open your document writing tool. I'm using Word on a Mac. Your screen may look slightly different and your tools may be in different places. Look for the Home tab in the left-hand corner of your menu bar. From the Home menu tabs, choose your font based on assignment requirements. If your assignment does not require a particular font or font size, a good choice is Calibri 12-point font or Times New Roman 12-point font. You can choose these by using the drop-down arrow, picking both font and size, and returning to your document. The next thing we need to do is find the paragraph box. The paragraph box, in my case, is at the very top under Format and Paragraph. Clicking Format and Paragraph opens the paragraph box. In the paragraph box, you're going to look for line spacing and choose Double. You're also going to make sure that the spacing before and after the line spacing is set to 0. When both of these things are correct, click OK to return to the main document. The next thing we need to do is add our header. Double-click in the blank space at the very top of your document. We need to tell the document that our title page is going to be different than the rest of the document. To do that, we need to put a check mark next to Different First Page under Header and Footer. Once you have chosen Different First Page, you're going to type the words Running Head, followed with a colon, and the title of your paper in all caps. This should look something like this. Once you have the running head and your title in all caps, we need to add a page number. To add your page number, go back to the top of your document. This time, next to Home, choose Insert. Under Insert, you will find Page Number. Click, choose Page Number. Tell your document you want it in the top of the page in the header, and you want it aligned right. Once you have the top of the page and right alignment, click OK to return to your document. That's all you need in the header for your title page. Your title page itself goes in the main body of the first page. Double-click back in the main body. Type the title of your document, your name, and the university that you are attending. This information should be centered. You center using the centering tool at the top in the toolbar. This also needs to be centered halfway down the page. To do this, use your return key or your enter key, tapping it about 8 times. Once you have your title page complete, we need to insert a page break to make this page stay stagnant while we go down to type in other pages elsewhere. To do this, go back to the top of your document, choose Insert. Instead of page number this time, we are going to do a page break. Look to the left-hand side of your row, choose Page Break. This will create an entirely new page. We need to put a new header that starts on this page. Remember, we told the first page that the header we were using was for that page only. This time, we're going to make a running head that just has the title of your paper without the words Running Head. Double-click in the very top of your page to get back into your header. Put your title in, this time no caps. We want to add the page numbers back in. Again, going to Insert at the top, choosing page number, and telling it we want it right aligned. Click OK. Double click in the body of your paper. You have now set the header for the rest of your paper. Remember, this is going to be your abstract page. The second page of an APA document is an abstract page. We want abstract centered at the top of the page. Again, we will use this centering text tool in the toolbar. Type the word abstract. Tab down, and then we want to go back to the left-hand margin to type in the rest of the abstract, and so we use the tool in the toolbar that aligns left. Your abstract will be completely aligned left. Do not use tabs on the abstract page. This page will eventually be where you type your summary, 150 to 250 words. Most students prefer to save this for last. We're going to insert another page break because the abstract goes on a page all by itself as well, so we need to move to a new page to begin the actual document. We're going to go back to Insert. We're going to insert another page break from the Home menu tab. Scroll down, move our cursor down to this page. This is where we will do the main body of the paper. We will not do any of this for this tutorial. We do have one more page that we need to set, and that's the references page. To do that, we are going to go to Insert once again, insert a page break. Now note, no matter how much you type up here in the body of your paper, those words will never bleed down here to this page because we have inserted this hard break here. On this page, we're going to set up our references. To set up your references, we're going to go back to the home page. We're going to look for our centering tool again, center our text, and type references. Tab down. This will be where our references will go. We want to then go to Align Left once again. I'll put in a couple of references so you can see what they should look like on your reference page. I want to point out this hanging indent on this page. To set up this page so it will create these hanging indents, you go back to your paragraph box. In my case, that's under Format and Paragraph. This time we're going to look at the Indentation tab. This has to do with indenting. And we want this to say Hanging. Notice mine already says Hanging for my references. You will want to use your drop down, choose Hanging, and click OK. Once you do that, all of the references that you put into this page will be set up like this, left justified with a hanging indent. You are now ready and prepared to type a document in APA format.